Statements. A statement or proposition is a sentence that can be true or false, but not both simultaneously. Let's look at an example. Jennifer is working. This is a statement because this sentence is either true or false. Either Jennifer is working or Jennifer is not working. Let's look at another example. Go away. This one is not a statement. This sentence is a command. Let's try an exercise. Determine if each of the following sentences are statements. Now would be a good time to pause the video and try this exercise, and then you can resume it to see the answers. The check is in the mail. This is a statement. Are you feeling okay? This is not a statement. It's a question. Unicorns are real. This is a statement. Happens not to be true, but it's a statement. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. This is not a statement. It's a command. Odin is chasing a mouse. This is a statement. Let's go back to the example of Jennifer is working. Remember that this is a statement, and in fact, this is what's called an atomic statement. An atomic statement expresses a single idea. Let's look at some more examples of atomic statements. 26 is an even number. Mary Tudor was the first Queen of England. 8 is less than 2. Gregory is 1.8 meters tall. Life exists on planets other than Earth. The first one, 26 is an even number, is an example of a true statement. 26 is in fact an even number. The second one is also true. Mary Tudor was the first Queen of England. 8 less than 2, however, is an example of a false atomic statement. Gregory is 1.8 meters tall. Well, I don't know which Gregory they're talking about, so I don't know if it's true or false, but it must be true or false. Similarly, number 5, life exists on planets other than Earth. This sentence has to be true or false, so it is, in fact, an atomic statement. We use logical connectives to form compound statements. The most common logical connectives are and, or, if then, if and only if, and not. Let's look at some examples of compound statements. 26 is an even number and 0 equals 1. Ahmed is holding a piece of chalk, or soda is a beverage. If Odin is a cat, then elephants can breathe underwater. Abraham Lincoln is alive today, if and only if 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 11 is not a prime number. I want to give a little preview now into how truth values work with respect to logical connectives and how we go about computing truth values of compound statements. Again, this is just a preview, so don't worry if you don't catch all of it right now. We're going to be going over how the logical connectives work with respect to truth a little bit later in detail. 0 equals 1 is an example of a false atomic statement. It follows that the compound statement, 26 is an even number and 0 equals 1, is false. It actually doesn't matter what the truth value of 26 is an even number is, but that does happen to be true, and true and false is always false. Soda is a beverage is true. It follows that the compound statement, Ahmed is holding a piece of chalk or soda is a beverage, is true. It doesn't even matter whether Ahmed is holding a piece of chalk or not, because true or true is true, and false or true is true. I should just mention that the inclusive or is being used here. The inclusive or is the one that's true when both statements are true. We will talk about the inclusive or in more detail a little bit later. In mathematics, we generally default to the inclusive or as opposed to the exclusive or. Elephants can breathe underwater is a false statement. The truth value of this compound statement, if Odin is a cat, then elephants can breathe underwater, depends if Odin is a cat. If Odin is a cat is true, then the compound statement is false, because if true then false is always false. If Odin is a cat is false, then the compound statement is true, because if false then false is always true. Don't worry too much if this confuses you right now. We'll be talking about the logical connective if then in greater detail a bit later. Again, this is just a preview. So, in summary, number 3, the truth value depends if Odin is a cat or not. It's not uniquely determined by just knowing that elephants can breathe underwater is false. Abraham Lincoln is alive today is false. 5 minus 3 equals 2 is true. It follows that the compound statement with the if and only if is false, because false if and only if true is false. In fact, if and only if a statement is true precisely when both statements it's connecting have the same truth value, and it's false when the statements that it's connecting have different truth values. 11 is a prime number is true. It follows that 11 is not a prime number is false, because not true is false. Going back to our logical connectives for just a moment, the first 4, and, or, if then, and if and only if, are examples of binary connectives. The prefix bi means 2, and in fact, each of these connectives connect 2 statements together. Not is an example of a unary connective. It connects to only one statement. Let's go to another exercise. Determine if each of the following statements is an atomic statement or a compound statement. Once again, for these exercises, you should pause the video, try the exercise yourself, and then resume when you're ready to check your answers with mine. Silence makes me angry. This is an atomic statement. We believe in this, or we believe in that. This is a compound statement because of the binary logical connective or. Charles Darwin did not believe in evolution. This is a compound statement because of the unary logical connective not. My girlfriend watches the television show Rick and Morty. This is an atomic statement. Don't be misled by the word and appearing here. It is not being used as a logical connective in this sentence. It is being used as part of the title of the TV show. If dragons are real, then I am a dragon. This is a compound statement because of the logical connective if then. Sentences that begin with the word why are questions. This is an atomic statement. You must find your keys or you will not be on time. This is a compound statement. It actually has 2 logical connectives, the binary connective or and the unary connective not. The universe will eventually collapse if and only if it is currently expanding. This is a compound statement. The logical connective being used is if and only if. The word and has the same meaning as the word or. This is an atomic statement. And and or are not being used as logical connectives in this sentence. John likes to walk, but he doesn't like to run. This is a compound statement. It has 2 logical connectives, but and not. But is logically the same as the word and. Let's finish up this section with examples that are not statements. When will you be back? Leave me alone. X plus 1 equals 3. This sentence is false. This sentence is true. When will you be back is a question. Leave me alone is a command. X plus 1 equals 3 has an unknown variable. Therefore, it doesn't have a unique truth value. If we want to turn this into a statement, we would have to replace the X by something more concrete. The last two are examples of self-referential sentences. They talk about themselves. The first one, this sentence is false, is called the liar's paradox. The second one, this sentence is true, is called a vacuous affirmation.